You're probably bored as hell by now with the fact that Bitcoin's price has been between 80 and 90K for the last couple months, but here are 4 really bullish things that happened for Bitcoin just today. Michael Saylor and Strategy made their 5th largest buy of Bitcoin today, spending almost $2 billion to buy 22,000 Bitcoin. And then Larry Fink, the CEO of the largest asset manager in the world, explained that if the US dollar keeps going down, which it has been since its creation, it's at risk of losing its reserve status to Bitcoin. And if that wasn't bullish enough, the framework for the United States to use Bitcoin bonds to buy $200 billion worth of Bitcoin was released today. So in summary, not only do you have the largest asset manager in the world saying Bitcoin may replace the US dollar, but you also have Michael Saylor's Strategy spending $2 billion to buy Bitcoin, and then you add in the fact that the United States is trying to raise 100 times that to buy more Bitcoin. All that, and the price is still in the 80,000s. So is this a good time to buy? Let's ask Tom Lee.
Is this a decent time to be stacking?
I think so.
You do, at 80.
Yeah, I think, part of this was Bitcoin seasonally was just not going to be attractive until after March ends, and now we're finally exiting March. And so I think not only is the calendar looking better, but as you're saying, Fed and central banks are easing, QT's ending. I think that with positive Washington sort of tailwinds means I think Bitcoin can do well to the end of the year. I think it's still 150 or higher as possible. Okay. I know it doesn't feel like it, but once we get through that agenda around tariffs, markets can look forward to things that could be positive.